students, now I am going to start question number 3 of exercise 5.6. Now question number 3 says, name each of the following triangles in two different ways. You may judge the nature of the angle by observation. See, in the first part, if you judge the side, here we can see that this side is 8 cm, this is 5 cm and this is 5 cm. And we know that if in a triangle two sides are equal, then it is said to be isosceles triangle. Okay. Now, if you judge the angle here all the three angle is less than 90 degree, and if in a triangle all angles are less than 90 degree, then it is said to be acute angle triangle. Right? Acute angle triangle means, see, here two angles are bending towards each other. So this angle is acute, again this and these are bending towards each other. This is also acute, and this and this side and this side also are bending towards each other. So this is also acute. So if in a triangle all the three sides are less than 90 degree, then it is said to be acute angle triangle. Now coming to B part. In the B part, if you judge the side, see, this is 17 cm, this is 15 cm and this is 8 cm. So all the three sides are different in length. So if in a triangle the sides are not same, all the three sides are different in length, then it is said to be scalene triangle. Okay. Now if you judge the angle here, this angle, this symbol means 90 degree. Here this line is perpendicular on this line, and perpendicular, if any line is perpendicular to another line, that means it makes 90 degree. And if in a triangle one angle is 90 degree, then it is said to be right angle triangle. If in a triangle one angle is 90 degree, since this is 90 degree, so this is right angle triangle. Now in the C part, we have, see, these two sides are same in length. So if in a triangle two sides are same, then it is said to be isosceles triangle. Okay. And this line, see, this angle, the angle which is given to us, this angle is obtuse angle. Why it is obtuse angle? Because if you consider this as 90 degree, this is going beyond 90 degree. If it looks like this from, see, this is 90 degree, and since it is going beyond 90 degree, so this angle here, this is obtuse angle, more than 90 degree. And if in a triangle one angle is more than 90 degree, then it is said to be obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Now in the D part, we have, again, these and this are equal in length. So if in a triangle two sides are same in length, then it is said to be isosceles triangle. And if you judge the angle here, this is 90 degree. So if in a triangle one angle is 90 degree, then it is said to be right angle triangle. Okay. Now in the E part, we have all the three sides are same in length, all are 5.2 cm. So if in a triangle all sides are equal in length, then it is said to be equilateral triangle. If all sides are same, then it is said to be equilateral triangle. And since all the angles are less than 90 degree, so it is acute angle triangle. If all three angles are less than 90 degree, then it is said to be acute angle triangle. And in the last part, we have, see, if you judge the side, this is 10 cm, this is 15 and this is 9 cm. So all the three sides are different in length. So it is scalene triangle. If the sides are not same, if all the sides are different, then it is said to be scalene triangle. And if you judge the angle here, this is obtuse angle triangle, because this is 90 degree, this is in L shape, right? And if it is going beyond 90 degree, then it is said to be obtuse angle triangle. So we'll write obtuse angle triangle. Okay. So this way we will name the triangle on the basis of sides and angle. Okay. So this was all about question number 3. Thank you, students.